Hello guys, today I've got OPN Sound Swym Plus headphones and I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the Bluetooth pairing issues. How to actually fix the Bluetooth pairing issues. So actually the first thing that you need to do is trying to connect your headphones to a different device. Like, try pairing your headphones with a different phone, different laptop, different unit. You need to just try doing so, because the issue may be located in your phone, not in your headphones itself. If this issue is located in your headphones that you can't pair to any device, not in your phone, you need to at first perform the factory reset. Hold this button right here for 10 seconds when your headphones are turned off till you see that your headphones go into the reset mode. I mean, they should just reset and that should be it. After the reset, everything should be working fine. If it doesn't want to work fine still, you need to do something different. What I mean by saying different, try charging them up to 100%. So leave them plugged in just for a moment, like 1 hour or 2 hours, and then check if it works. If it works with ease, that's fine. However, if it doesn't want to work, you need to now contact device support to have it fixed, because we can't do anything more. Yes, and that's sad, and yeah, but actually that's how it works. You can of course switch between MP3 mode and back to Bluetooth mode just to check if there is no lag, but it's kind of actually unfixable for us right now. Contact the device support to have it fixed. However, if you see that this is your phone's issue and you want to connect your headphones to your phone and you can't, but to a different device you can, you need to restart your phone at first, turn off and then turn on the Bluetooth, and of course resetting the cache of the Bluetooth app. How to do so? Enter the settings of your phone, enter apps. In the apps section, find the stick to show system applications and go to letter B. In the letter B, find Bluetooth, tap it, scroll down to the storage and clear cache. That should fix the issue. Bye!